Yeah, no shit.
From the time I got to the Senate 180 years ago. The one thing we do know, these masks make a gigantic difference.
Not that big.
I would do everything on my possible to make it required that people had to wear masks in public. We're going to invest in working people. We're going to grow the middle class to make sure everyone's included on the deal. The kinds of investment that will stimulate the economy.
No way that just happened.
That just happened.
Hey guys, Mr. Burgundy here. If you would like a badass soap from a badass company that helps a badass cause, then please check out the Hero Soap Company and their awesome line of soap products. You can find all the information you need in this video's description and pinned comment.